career more so than a job. And I know trades is something that is in high demand and something that's seen that not a lot of women are in, and I felt this was a good opportunity to kind of show people you don't need to know anything about welding. You can come in not knowing anything and being a girl and still succeed and find it fun.
In addition to the 15-week program, we still do training for smaller terms for people that are upgrading skills. So if a person has a shielded metal arc welding qualification and they want to upgrade to a flux core qualification, we can do that in a 4-week period sometimes. And we have done a pipe welding program here as well. And we are embarking on a couple of new ventures this year. So we're going to be doing a program that is all about robotic welding in manufacturing. And the objective there is to teach the student the necessities of gas metal arc welding in all the different transfer modes, and also steel and aluminum. So both processes are going to be covered. All of the troubleshooting with regard to robotics, there's going to be resistance welding will be covered, and a person should be able to walk out of that program and be infinitely capable of starting anywhere as a robotic welding technician.